I'm joined by Alizée CCM, co-founder of Zero Waste Shanghai.
And joining me now from Shanghai is Alizée CCM.
Our next speaker, Ali. Ali, circular economy expert and founder of Zero Waste.
Honestly, it's incredible to work in my industry in China. They are paving the way when it comes to sustainability. And for me and my work, it's incredibly valuable. But there's so much work still ahead of us. I've had this dream about a big adventure like this for years. And every year I'm thinking, but with what purpose? Sustainability is such a broad concept. There are few examples of successful companies who are able to make it work. I'm going to travel around China to go and meet those innovators and change makers in sustainability and turn this into a documentary series. To do this in the best way possible, I'm going to convert a van into a small home on wheels using sustainable materials. Not only will this method of travel reduce my carbon footprint, it will also allow me more flexibility on the road. Listen, ultimately, we all have to do our part and do it in the most authentic way possible. This adventure is the most authentic way for me to do what I do best. I'm ready for this.